Summit True Street 13.5 class. Got the tire warmers on there. About to put it on this cold ground. About to do him a light burnout or a hard burnout. Yeah, it didn't seem that dangerous, Clayton. I think I would still do it. She got my respect now. Boy, I smell some bubble gum.
All right. These guys are getting ready. True Street Pro Tree, guys. Watch the lights.
Ooh, that's a good race. Right lane. Right lane.
Going 244 with the 2. To a respectful 250 with the 8. To take the win. Allen on the tree. 031 reaction time. To an 083. Allen goes wire to wire for the win.
Got a question for you.
Look out.
What are you putting that on?
I'm on Twitch right now, live streaming, and in 2 days I'll have it on YouTube.
Can you send that to me?
Yes, sir.
My number?
Let me get it ready for you right now.
That,
I recorded the whole stream. I've been live for 7 hours.
Awesome. Got to text them.
Man, I done lost a phone, dude. Oh, there.
I'll text you if you want. That way you have my number.
Okay, boom. I'm finna send it to you right now.
There we go.
Twitch, back, video, send, share to. You got an iPhone?
No, I
Oh, you Android? Message. Put your number. Bam.
That's me right there, man.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it, brother. God bless.
Boom, you too.
All right. We have 11 cars left in the Summit Pro Street Outlaw class.
11 cars
These
left.
guys are just about ready to rumble. Who's up first here?
Hey, yeah. Hey,
On your mark, gentlemen.
hey, yeah. Got the RC car. About to go fast, about to go far, about to stage up, burn a little rubber. I'm going fast, like no other. Got the little slicks, going real fast. Yeah, they racing for a little cash. The RCBRL.com came in this thing. You can see it on CD-ROM or YouTube, maybe even my Twitch. Cause I'm live in this.
All right, here we go. Instant green drivers. Watch the lights.
Ooh, that's a good. Now that's what I'm talking about. Right lane for the win. But yeah, I do be better with him because he ain't got no brakes. BMF, man, it's gonna be hard to beat the BMF crew.
To the next round over.
See, they work for jigs and stuff, man.
69 miles an hour. Unfortunately, the mile an hour is not working in the left lane. We don't know what's going on with that.
Golly.
Sure like to see that mile an hour.
Well, that BMF gonna win it, y'all. They got the fastest cars.
All right. So we are already in it. Street Outlaw.
Yeah, they like the Stevie Fast or the RC
Jesse
cars,
Hernandez. Vinny. Jesse has lane choice over Vinny. Mason Cooley has lane choice over Richard Medetta. Jeremy Carter, lane choice over Mike Chandler. Alan Cryer, lane choice over Marcus Calamantes. Ryan is on a buy run. He can run it at any time he wants to. Yep. Go ahead and knock it out. Oh, you guys ready? All right.
Who has a tech?
All right, Jesse Hernandez. We're going to call the elevation.
Okay, bet. I got the message, Rob, one time.
Vinny, I believe, gets that long distance award out of New York. Plan B RC lane.
I will be looking it up. Hopefully I can find it on. Look how he be,
Drivers,
look like he finna race.
Nice.
Ooh, that's a good. God dang.
With a Ford 70 miles an hour.
Man, I can't believe he beat my boy out of New York.
Oh man, 67 mile an hour pass. And thank you for everyone who fixed the mile an hour in the left lane. It is back and running. Thank you very much. Okay, copy that. Thank you.
I see my boy Tickle Fist at the track right now. Got that thing gripping right here, this side.
Right, so here we go, Mike Chandler now.
Mike Chandler.
All right, hold up, guys. We got some at the top end of the track. Hold on. All right, looks like everybody's ready. Coach Cool, instant green. Drivers, on your mark, watch it.
Oh! Right lane for the win.
And Jeremy Carter
I think old boys
goes
messed
through
up
the
or
tracks,
something.
folks, at a
But
2.005.
playing,
Two flat
man.
with a 573.4
Oh,
miles
he's
an hour
doing
pass.
73?
You take the win light. These guys are starting to tune it up as the track cools down. The racing is getting hot.
Golly, man. He gonna win it.
Michael
BMF gonna
Douglas
win, y'all.
is Michael Douglas. Somebody's looking for you, Mikey. I'm not sure where he's at. Okay. All right. Mason, you have lane choice? Oh, take your by run. Copy that.
Say Coach Live somewhere.
Okay, driver. Watch the lights. Nice pull at 210 with the 765
Man,
miles
he
an
got
hour.
an extra type of remote, y'all. He might be fast. He is doing good.